Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Local Business. Given the wealth of online advertising space, PPC is a direct and effective way to reach customers and has many advantages over SERP. Statistics show that 46% of clicks go to the top 3 paid ads on the SERP, search engine results page. With that in mind, let's take a look at why pay-per-click advertising should be part of your overall marketing strategy. PPC allows for better tracking. Pay-per-click advertising services allow you to closely monitor outcomes and gain extensive insights into your campaign's financial effectiveness. This way, you can make sure you're spending your money wisely and that you're not paying more per click than you're getting paid for a new lead. We stop Google Ads click fraud. Clixtell is a reliable and powerful automated click fraud protection, user-friendly software enabling you to secure your Google Ads and Bing Ads budget by constantly preventing and immediately blocking click fraud activity. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.